out of shape.
And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Be responsible.
Which button?
That's totally standard. Okay.
Oh, this one.
Oh, no.
That
careful.
one?
The flashing
I'm
one.
really bad at this.
Don't miss the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes.
Wow! Hooray for me!
This is gonna be a blast.
Miss Howard? Are you okay?
Need you to fill in behind.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay! Oh, Tundra Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashlow! Kozlov.
Predator, prey, ice god seas, balance of nature, Zoogether, strong, black mother,
Oh, special effects!
white snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Clawhauser, did you do this?
I have no idea!
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, you want to grab a leg?
Who did this? Detectives Hobson Wild investigating the digital.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter together. Oh, my spot!
The Marsh Destroyer? Why Sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you out.
Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub. Okay, this wasn't the best. See who did this?
Seriously? It was clocked with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Little Rodentia.
Time to make like a tree, man.
Bark.
What?
Let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shrimp Angels! Hi, it's your girl, Crew. In Little Rodentia, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so cute.
You're looking to get iced?
Oh, look out! Miss Frou Frou, hang on!
Good luck, lady!
Donuts do save lives.
Carrots. I am shocked.
I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
We're in pursuit.
Zootopia! It's dance, you party animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move, you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Pogo!
Clawhauser,
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm Undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom?
Saving Zoogether Day, Chief!
Hey! Wanna shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
Oh, you think his head has a lot of flies? You should see his.
Wait!
Oh no! That's Gazelle's biggest fan! I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi! Hello, Bellwether.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together.
No.
Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Sheep.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait,